Hi guys, get ready with me. Mag-open tayo ng Kona Mini Crunch. Ayan siya. Ito cookies and cream flavor and then ito rainbow flavor daw. Hindi ko alam kakaiba. So ito siya. Ayan. It's actually Kona Mini Crunch. Binili ko siya sa SM Galabastaga. Ito yung isa rainbow. So titikman natin sila at i-rate natin. I'm gonna be honest with it guys. So let's go. Open muna natin to. So sabi niya dito, shake it before opening. So, una mo natin ito-try is ito. So, ayun yung open niya. So, i-open natin siya dito. And then, ayan siya guys. That's how it looks. Ayan. So, titikman natin siya. Ayan. Ooh, ayan guys. Masarap siya. Actually. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Rate ko to ng 9 out of 10. Ang sarap niya. Actually. Tapos ito naman, yung rainbow naman. Ito, shake din to before you open. I-shake lang natin. Yan. Let's go. So, saan yung open niya? Ito. Ayan. Ay, ito siya, guys. Wow! Rainbow talaga siya, kaya rainbow. Ay. Wait lang, make sure ko lang. Masarap sila ha. Rate ko, in my own opinion, rate ko to as 10 over 10. In my own opinion lang po. Tapos, ito namang, yung cookies and cream flavor, I guess rate ko siya ng 9 over 10 in my own opinion. So, yun lang guys. Bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!